We'll guide you through how to remove an SD card from a phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps you're removing it because you want to go and change it to another, maybe a bigger one, or perhaps you want to go and remove it as you then want to access it on another device and access the files that are on it. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step on how you can go and safely go and remove it, and even go and put another one in if you want to as well. So to go and get started with this, we need to go and open up the Files app on our phone. So we can go and swipe up and go and find it. You can just go and press search at the top and you can go and type in Files to go and find the Files app. On this device called My Files, and you can tap on it to open it up. Then what you want to do is come into storage and find SD card, and you can tap there. Then what you want to do is go to the top right and you can go and press the three dots, go down and you'll find the option for unmount, tap there. Now go and just wait, and it's now been unmounted. This means we can now go and safely remove it. Now what you need to do is come onto the device and we need to go and find the tray. So on this device here, it's actually the same tray as the SIM card. So I can go and open up this tray, and in here we're going to go and have the SD card and SIM. That'll usually be the case, but otherwise you may have separate trays, so go and locate the tray. You're going to see it's got a little hole here, and so we need to go and push something in here for this to go and pop out. So for example here, your device may have come with a tool you can use, but otherwise I just go and use, this is a keyring I've unfolded. You could use something like a paper clip as well. And then what we're going to do is go and push it in here like so, it'll pop out. And then what we can do is go and remove it. And there it is. There we go and have the card. And then what you can do is go and take it out like so. The tray would fully come out if you wanted to as well. I just don't need to, it's easy to keep it in. And if you want to put another one in there, just go and place it back in. Make sure that it goes and faces the right way. That's where it faces down into the phone. And that's it. That's how you can remove it. I could push it back in with another one in there or leave it empty. And that's it. That is how you can go and remove a SD card. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.